So we'll be introducing to you our newest members of our Cebu Ocean Park family. Okay, so for the meantime, wala ko na sa'yo mag-agi-agi din sa stage on doon sa pool. Okay, again, wala ko na sa'yo mag-agi-agi o doon sa pool. Okay, please be seated down everyone. So let's wait at least 2 minutes para marami yung ating trainers. Thank you. It's an extraordinary animal that thrives where the land and sea collide. Today, witness the raw power, the playful charm, and get ready to be amazed by these clever and charismatic creatures. Ladies and gentlemen, now let's all welcome our marine mammal friends, our African gamer seals. Born from the meeting point of restless sights and whispering winds of Africa, African cave seals came from the farthest reaches of the open ocean, places where the waves stretch endlessly and the horizon never stands still. These unordinary sea creatures, they are shaped by motion, mystery, and the rhythm of the beat. Wow, that's how you make an entrance. Now, ladies and gentlemen, allow me to introduce to you to our first seal friends. First, from the shimmering edges of the northern tides, meet Miles. Not the biggest, not the loudest, but without a doubt, the sleekest first seal you ever laid eyes on. Lastly, we have from the depths where strength is forged and legends take shape, meet Athena, the mightiest first seal, and the Alpha. Now let's start. Do you have any idea why they are called fin or feather-footed marine mammals? Any idea? Do they have feathers? Well, let's ask them. Okay, hey for seals, do you have feathers? The answer is no. They have hair just like us because they are mammals. They also have external ear flaps, which makes them able to hear very well underwater. True seals lack external ear flaps, have sleek bodies, and move on land by belly crawling, dragging themselves using their front flippers. Whereas for first seals and sea lions, they can swim very well in the water because of those two large front flippers, just like how penguins swim. So guys, do you mind demonstrating to us how a true seal walks? And that's how a true seal walks. In contrast, first seals have thicker fur and can walk on land using their strong front and rear flippers, which rotate forward. So guys, show us how a first seal walks. Perfect demonstration, Miles and Athena. Oh, and have we seen how strong their front flippers are? Show them, first seals. And there you go. Let's give a round of applause for our first seal buddies. And one last fun fact, they use their hind flippers to groove themselves. And there you go. Thank you, Miles. And in the water, they cruise along at about 11 miles an hour. No sweat. They flap their front flippers like wings. Look, Miles imitating a baby shark. While their back flippers trail behind, acting like a built-in steering system. And that's their normal swim, smooth and Thank you so much, Miles. But when chasing their prey or escaping from predators, they can achieve a burst speed of up to, ready, 25 miles per hour, and that is surely a fast win. So how about a round of applause for Miles and Athena? What you are about to witness is more than just a performance. It is a celebration of the spirit of the Perseals. Would you love to see a dance number from our amazing Perseals? Ah, come on guys, where's the energy?